my 5th or 6th time at this conference today. And it's amazing because I have been using Schranner's method for so many years and have been doing so many classes with Schranner. And nevertheless, every time I come for a refresher, I remember things and I learn new things, and this is just wonderful because it gives me so much impact and so many new ideas to do my job better.
This is my first refresher after not being exposed to Matthias for 2 or 3 years, and it's all like a flashback coming back to me. And I was thinking, why the heck didn't I come before?
Because Matthias is such a great reminder for all the important things before and when we go into the negotiation.
I can learn a lot, and it's always good to see people in the same profession with the same troubles.
To meet colleagues from previous courses and to exchange knowledge and experiences.